Melissa, Deanna, we're just days away from phase two, which means anyone 16 years or older who was not previously eligible for the vaccine can sign up for one. Now, doctors will still prioritize those who are considered high risk, but it's a big step in the right direction for the state of Michigan.
It's an exciting time for those who've put their faith in the vaccine, especially with April 5th fast approaching.
As of that day, technically anybody who's 16 and older would be eligible to receive a vaccine.
But many Michiganders are being asked to hurry up and wait.
The challenge is still really vaccine scarcity. We just don't have enough vaccine for all those who are going to be eligible.
Dr. Nirali Bora with the Kent County Health Department says roughly 30% of the population has been vaccinated, which means 70% of adults are still waiting to get their first shot.
We hear that there's going to be an increase in the vaccine allocations that we get. And so based on that, we'll be able to see what happens. But let's say we're getting 15,000 vaccines a week. We have 660,000 people that live in Kent County.
So for those of you who have no idea where to start, get pre-registered on vaccinatewestmi.com so you can be invited to get your vaccination. Before you get the shot, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says it's not recommended that you take over-the-counter medicine like acetaminophen or aspirin before the vaccination to prevent vaccine-related side effects.
After you get your vaccine, if you feel like you have side effects that are uncomfortable, it's okay to go ahead and take something like Tylenol or ibuprofen.
Next, don't get a COVID vaccine at the same time as other vaccines. Wait at least 14 days before getting another shot like the flu or shingles vaccine.
There is no cost. So if someone has insurance, their insurance will be billed for the administration fee. No individual will see a fee if someone does not have insurance, and no documentation is required to get a vaccine.
And you won't have a choice in terms of scheduling when and where you'll receive the vaccine or which vaccine you'll receive. Dr. Bora says the fragility in this fight against COVID-19 is enough to encourage Michiganders to get in line.
Our case positivity is increasing. Our incidence is rising. The number of people hospitalized with COVID is increasing right now. At the same time, we do have vaccine available, but it's not coming as quickly as we need it to vaccinate the entire population. I know people are tired of a lot of these regulations, and I totally understand that. But, we just need to be patient for a little bit longer.
Breaking it all down for you 1 week from today, all adults ages 16 and older eligible to sign up by visiting vaccinatewestmi.com. You can also check for appointments at your local pharmacies. Now, you will receive your vaccination card at your first dose. You're going to want to make sure to bring it with you if you're required to have a second dose, so that can be updated on the same card. And know that you may need to schedule a booster shot since it's not known how long the vaccine is effective. I'm Brody Carter, Fox 17 News.